I was born and raised in a small city in Honduras.
I was born in Northern California, the Bay Area, so a lot of pride for there.
I'm from a small town in New Hampshire.
So I'm from Cambridge, Mass.
Obviously I had hoped to have an amazing time, and I had hoped really just to be happy wherever I was. And it turned out to be so much more. It turned out, to be higher than my highest expectation.
My mom, since before I could remember, since kindergarten, she told me, you don't go to college to go party and do all this other stuff. Like, that's a benefit, but you go to college to get a degree and to get a job. So Bentley was the decision.
I transferred into Bentley. I started my first year at a community college, which was a really good decision for me, but it wasn't exactly the college experience I was expecting. So when I decided to transfer to Bentley, I was really excited about just being able to live on campus and immerse myself and kind of create a little life for myself here.
I remember my senior year, we had Bentley counselors come visit us to talk about the school. That being said, I was very familiar with the Bentley brand because my older brother was about to complete his undergraduate studies here at Bentley. And actually, when the counselors came to visit us, they brought over, all these pamphlets, information, and my brother was in the cover of one of these pamphlets. So I remember how proud I was able to feel, not only because, this is gonna be a lot. I remember how proud I felt in that moment, not only because this was my brother, but because my identity was being represented in a different country, and it gave me really that confidence, that inspiration that I needed in order to go through the whole college application process.